want to visualize your data with beautiful charts on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the advanced chart block from Nextblocks, perfect for creating line, bar, radar, donut, pie, polar area, and bubble charts in minutes. Whether you are presenting trends, comparison, or stats, I'll guide you through setting up all these type of charts. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblock Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblock Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the advanced chart block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for Advanced Chart. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of advanced chart block from Nextblocks. With this block, you can create different types of chart like line chart, bar chart, radar chart, donut or pie chart, polar area chart, or bubble chart. We'll see each chart one by one. Let's see the line chart first. In the label values field, we have to add the labels for the chart. You have to use this pipe separator to add multiple values. This is the label value. Then from the datasets tab, you have to add the values for your chart using these repeater items. Let's see the options. In the label, you can add a label. This is the label. Then in the data field, you have to add the values for the line. You have to use this pipe separator to add multiple values. Make sure the number of values you add here matches the number of values you have added in the label values field. You have added 5 over here, so it is 5. These are the datas. Then from the background, you can add a background color for this line. In the border color, you can add a border color for this line. Then by enabling the multiple dot background toggle, you can add multiple background color for these dots. Use the hexacode value to add the colors. Then you have to use this pipe separators to add multiple values. If you disable it, you can change all the dots background color at once from this option. Then from the multiple dot border toggle, you can add different border colors to these dots. You have to again use hexacode value for the color, and then you have to use this pipe separator to add multiple values. If you disable this, you can change all the dots border color from here. Then by enabling the fill toggle, you can add a fill color to this line. Then from the border dash toggle, you can make this line dashed. You can click on the add item button to add more items. Now let's see the bar chart. From the orientation, you can create vertical bar chart or a horizontal bar chart. Again, in the label values, we have to add the label values. These are label values. And from the data sets, we have to use these repeater items to add the data. Again, you can add a label. Again, you have to add same number of values you have added in the label values field. Then from the background color, you can change the background of the bar. And from the border color, you can change the border color of the bar. By enabling the multiple dot background toggle, you can add different background color to the bar. Again, you have to use the hexacode value. You have to use this pipe separator to add multiple values. From the multiple dot border toggle, you can change the border color of each bar. Again, you have to use the hexacode for color and pipe separator to add multiple values. You can click on the add item button to add more items. Now let's see the radar chart. Again, you will find this label value field to add the label values. Then from the datasets tab, we have to add the data. Let's see the options. We'll find exactly same option as we saw in the line chart Now let's see the donut and pie chart. From the orientation, you can create a donut chart or a pie chart. Let's see the donut chart first. In the level values, you have to add the level values. These are the level values. Then from the data sets, you have to use distributor items to add the data. Let's see the options. You can add a label. Then the data field, you have to add the values. Again, you have to add the same number of items as you are in the level values field, and you have to use this pipe separator to add multiple values. Then from the background color, you can add different background for each value. You have to use the hexacode for the color and pipe separator to add multiple values. Similarly, from the border color, you can add multiple color to the value. To each value, you have to use the hexacode and pipe separator to add multiple values. You can click on the add item button to add more items. Now let's see the pie chart option. Again, you have to add the level values. In the data sets, you have to directly add the values. You won't see any repeater for this. In the data field, you have to add the values. You have to use this pipe separator to add multiple values. Make sure the number of values you added over here matches the number of level values. From the background, you can add different background color for each value. You have to use the hexacode and pipe separator to add multiple values. Similarly, you can add different border color for each value using the hexacode and pipe separator. Now let's see the polar chart option. You have to add the level values. In the data sets, you will find same options as we saw in the pie chart. You have to add the data. You can add multiple background color and add multiple border color. Now let's see the bubble chart option. In the level values, you have to add the level values. Then in the data sets, you have to use distributor items to add the data. Let's see the option. You can add a label for the data. Now in the data field, you have to add 3 values separated by pipe inside a square bracket for one value. This one is for X position, this one is for Y position, and this one is the size. So you have to use 3 values as a set inside a square bracket. Then you can add multiple set of datas as value like we have over here. Then from the multiple background, you can add different background for each bubble. You have to use hexacode for the color and pipe separator to add multiple values. To disable it, you can change the background color of all bubbles at once from here. Similarly, from multiple border toggle, you can set different border colors for each value using a hexacode. You have to use pipe separator to add multiple values. You can click on the add item button to add more items. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. Keep in mind, you will see different styling options depending on the selected chart type. For the bubble chart, you will find these styling options. From the grid lines, you can style the X and Y axis lines. From the grid lines toggle, you can show hide the lines. Then from the X axis, you can adjust the X axis grid color. You can change the zero line color. From the draw border on chart area, you can hide the vertical lines. From the prefix postfix toggle, you can add a text before and after these horizontal values. From the Y-axis tab, you can adjust the style of Y-axis lines. Then from the level field, you can show hide levels in the chart. You can adjust the color, you can adjust the size. From the legends toggle, you can show or hide the legends. You can adjust the color, size, position, alignment. From the custom points tab, you can change the point style. You can add different point style. Then from the tooltip toggle, you can show hide tooltip. You can set the event to hover or on click. In the font size, you can change the font size. You can change the title color. You can change the body text color. You can change the tooltip background. From the extra options tab, you can maintain the chart aspect ratio by enabling the maintain aspect ratio toggle. You can set a height for the chart. Then from the animation, you can select different types of animation, how the tooltip will show. You can set the duration for the animation as well. For the line chart, you will find same options. For the bar chart, you will see this bar tab. From here, you can adjust the bar size, bar spacing. For radar chart, you will find same styling option. And for polar chart, you will find same styling options. For donut chart, you will find these styling options, legends, tooltip, and extra options. For pie chart, again, you will find the same styling options. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the advanced chart block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.